Review of iqoo 12 5G. Display 6.78 inches 17.2 to cm AMOLED bezel-less with punch-hole display. Camera India's first 50MP plus 50MP plus 6 for MP flagship camera. 50MP 1.3 astrography camera. 50MP ultra-wide-angle camera. 60 for MP3X periscope telephoto camera. Multitasking and performance. iqoo Q1 supercomputing chip. 140 for FPS game frame interpolation. Largest VC cooling system. Battery and charging. 5000 mAh battery. 120W flash charging. USB Type-C port. Processor. India's first Snapdragon *8 Gen 3. On AnTuTu score 2.1 million plus. Design. Launch date, in India, the 12th of December 2023.